What's going on, everyone? My name's Roscoe, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Ultra Boost 1.0 OG. Now, this sneaker released December 1st for a price tag of $180. Now, this basically was the start of what Adidas is calling Boost Week, where they're bringing back retro OG colorways in the Ultra Boost for this 1 week only. And to tell you right away, after having these in hand, I am super ecstatic to finally get my hands on this pair. So without further, let's take a look at this sneaker.
Hayes told me come back with a better intro.
Now, this sneaker initially dropped in February of 2015, which is absolutely insane if you think about it, because that was only 3 years ago. Adidas basically created a silhouette that helped boosted their brand into the next level. Like, no pun intended. But I mean, this was the shoe that got everyone, going crazy for. All it took was Kanye West to throw this on feet, and all of a sudden the whole sneaker, community went mad for him. Absolutely insane, and this is such a timeless piece, man. I'm sure when I'm in like my 50s, they're going to still be creating a Ultra Boost in some sort of way. Probably be like the Ultra Boost 10 by then, but who knows. But let's just talk about the features of this sneaker and why it made it such a dope shoe. I mean, it was the first one to feature a two-tone. You have a two-tone prime knit upper with the black and the gray. You have a purple heel cup on the side, and then the cage, which features the 3-stripe, was the lacing system. And then the laces, you have an all black laces with these nice gold aglets on them. I mean, the shoe is absolutely unbelievable. When you throw this on foot, it's like I don't own many Ultra Boosts, and I haven't worn them in such a long time. I've been wearing a lot of 700s, 350s, 500s. So when I bought this one and I opened it up and I threw these on foot, I was like, wow, man, you just can't compare the comfort of an Ultra Boost. And, it's like unbelievable. It's craziness. Boost is unbelievable on this shoe. And they nailed it, and that's why they continue to make them. Because it's perfect for everybody. I mean, it's not just for us sneakerheads, too. You gotta think of, your mom, your dad, your friends, people that are not even into sneakers. I mean, this shoe is perfect for them, this is like an all-around, multi-purpose shoe. You can put this on, go run errands, go hang out with your friends. You can wear this to go to the gym, work out. It's a multi-purpose shoe. Even it's nice and stylish too as well. So you can wear this if you want to go on dates. You can go out, go to a bar, go to the club. You can still wear this. I probably wouldn't wear the 08 Boost. I'd probably go all black. But still, this is such a dope shoe, and I'm so glad to have this in my collection. Because this was one, that got away. I kind of slept on it. I was one of those people that, wasn't really into these shoes then. I was buying a lot of Jordans back in the day. But then once this wave created, and I was like, I gotta check this out. By the time that happened, I mean, the shoe was out of my price range by then. I wasn't going to spend, I think the resale was up in the 500s, 3 to 500s easily, I remember, for this shoe. So guys, I just wanted to give you guys, my latest pickup and, give you my full review of the sneaker, because I don't think it dropped yet over in Europe, but this did initially drop already in the US on December 1st. Resale on this one is not high at all. I believe the average resale price on StockX is right around $190 to $200. I did see like the smaller sizes going for crazy amounts, so I apologize. I feel bad for you. Most of you small fleet gain out there. But that some of them like $350, $400, and I was like, Jesus, for these, that's a pass. But guys, let me know what you guys think of the OG Ultra Boost, and let me know down in the comments if what was that Ultra Boost that you missed out that you wish you could still cop. This was probably the only one I really wanted, and I'm glad I finally have it in my collection because this is definitely going straight to feet. I'm wearing this all day, you know, all week, probably till, this is going to be a beater. This is going to be the perfect shoe to leave by my doorstep, you know? The ones that you just take off, you slip them off, and you leave them right by the door. But guys, that's my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to throw these on foot so you guys can get a better look at the sneaker. And I appreciate you guys watching as always. If you did like this video, please smash that like button for me. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Hayes told me come back with a better intro.